Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 27th of November. And first of all, national news. PM Modi extended greetings on 75th anniversary of Indian Constitution Day. President Draupadi Murmu paid tribute to brave hearts on 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks anniversary. Union Cabinet approved continuation of Atal Innovation Mission with 2,750 crore budget till 2028. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan inaugurated 227 gender resource centers under Nai Chetna 3.0. Home Ministry asked NIA to investigate recent Manipur violence. Delhi air pollution, air quality in capital plunged to very poor. Now some international news. UK Chancellor Rachel Reid seek to reassure industry. He said no more tax increase. Trump threatened sweeping new tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China on first day in office. Universities in US warn international students on Trump's immigration crackdown. Romanian PM resigned as leftist party leader after election defeat. And now some sports news. Saudi Arabia open to hosting IPL games stadium to come up in Jeddah. ICC board to meet on November 29 to finalize Champions Trophy schedule. Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy, Chirag Shetty withdrew from Syed Modi International. Business related news. Cautiously optimistic economic outlook for coming months, Finance Ministry October review. Centre approved PAN 2.0 project of Income Tax Department to make it a common business identifier. RBI governor treated in Chennai for acidity, doing fine, said Apollo Hospital. And that's all in news. Thank you.